The 320th accessible toilet trailer. This fully equipped trailer is designed with your needs in mind. With a tare weight of just 800 kilograms and a gross weight of 900 kilograms, it's easy to tow and transport. Step inside through the spacious 870mm wide doorway, and you'll find a thoughtfully designed interior featuring a hand basin, towel holder, and a jumbo toilet paper roller for convenience. For added comfort, we've included handrails for support and a shower curtain for privacy. The passive ventilation system keeps the air fresh, while external double-glazed windows provide natural light and can be opened for fresh air. Our state-of-the-art dual thermostatic control allows for both hot and cold water, ensuring a comfortable experience every time. Plus, the 30-liter electric water heater ensures you'll never run out of hot water. Safety is a priority, with features like drop stands, handbrakes, and jockey wheels for stability. And don't forget the solid cast curved roof with a gutter system to keep you dry on rainy days. Whether it's for an event, a festival, or any outdoor occasion, the 320 accessible toilet trailer has everything you need for a safe and pleasant experience.